Hi friends, welcome back to Nitvet Bioscience. Today we will discuss a very common disorder associated with the lipid metabolisms, that is fatty liver. Fatty liver, which is also known as a hepatic steatosis. Okay, that is a technical name. Common name is a fatty liver. So by the name we can say that what is fatty liver? Accumulation of the fat in the liver is known as a fatty liver. Okay, generally liver is not the site for the storage of fat. Synthesis of the fat takes place in the liver, but storage of the fat does not take place in the liver. Storage takes place in the adipose tissue. Okay, so because of some medical condition or some metabolism defect, if the accumulation of the fat takes place in the liver, then it is known as a fatty liver, which is harmful to our body. Okay, so that is fatty liver. Fatty liver, these are of two types. Okay, or depending upon the condition or the causes, it can divide into two types. If this fatty liver takes place due to the excessive consumption of the alcohol, then it is known as a alcoholic fatty liver disease. Okay, that is the major cause of this fatty liver, because 90% of the heavy alcohol drinkers generally have this condition, that is a fatty liver. So if this condition takes place due to the excessive alcohol consumption, then it is known as a alcoholic fatty liver disease. And this fatty liver can also occur to those who does not consume alcohol. So in that case, it is known as a non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Okay, alcoholic fatty liver disease and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. What are the factors? What are the risk factors associated with the fatty livers? So generally the heavy alcohol consumption, okay, excessive alcohol consumption, those who are very severe alcoholics, so they have the high chances of developing this fatty liver. Second is the obesity, those who are having the obese or overweight conditions. Third is a type 2 type of diabetes, insulin resistance, or which is most common mistake which takes place by today's generation is the rapid weight loss, starvation or the rapid weight loss. How this takes place, I will explain after some times. So that is also the one of the conditions, rapid weight loss and the starvation. It is also harmful to our body, and that is also the one of the risk factor of the fatty liver. Then the hepatitis C, or high cholesterol or triglyceride in the blood, or some drugs like glucocorticoids. So these are some risk factor associated with the fatty livers. Okay, so this fatty liver, the liver has a tendency to regenerate itself. If some part of the liver gets damaged, or if we through the surgery, if we remove some part of the liver, it will regenerate itself. Okay, so after some stages, liver has a tendency to reverse these conditions. If we are mindful about these conditions, so this condition can be reversible, but after certain stage it is irreversible. So depending upon that, this is divided into the various stages, like first normal liver, okay, which is normal liver has a very less fat, but if the excess of the fat, for example more than 5% of the fat is present, then it is a fatty liver. So normal liver, then simple fatty liver, okay, then fibrosis. Next condition is the fibrosis. The last one is cirrhosis. Okay, so these are the various stages. So first is a normal healthy liver, which has a very less fat. If some amount of the fat is present, then it is okay. But if the more than the permissible level, like more than 5% of the fat is present, then it will develop the fatty liver. So normal healthy livers with no inflammation. Simple fatty liver. Simple fatty liver, at this stage the fat accumulation will start, and it is not so much severe that it is detectable here. Then fibrosis. After simple fatty liver, if this condition progresses, so in the liver inflammation will take place, scar tissue will come here, so that condition is known as a fibrosis. These three stages are reversible. Reversible means if we are aware of that something disturbing is happening with our liver or something disturbing is happening with our body, and if we adopt the healthy lifestyle, then we can reverse these conditions with adopting the healthy lifestyle. But once this stage is reached, that is a cirrhosis. Cirrhosis means the inflammation takes place all over the liver, scar tissue will develop and the severe damage will take place to the liver, then that condition is known as a cirrhosis, and the cirrhosis is irreversible. See, what is I have just mentioned, that liver has a tendency to regenerate itself. Okay, so after certain stage, liver has a capacity to reverse that conditions, that whatever damage that has happened to the liver. But after certain point, then the medication or the surgery, or in the severe cases when the liver failure will take place, at that stage liver transplant also required. Okay, and these are also the cirrhosis is also the risk factor for cancer. Okay, doctor generally describe this fatty liver as a silent disease, because at the initial stage you will not get any symptoms, but after certain points the common symptoms are like the fatigue, tiredness or vomiting, and weight loss, and the most prominent symptoms is that you here in the upper right abdomen, right side of the abdomen, you will have the pain. Okay, so these are the some symptoms associated with the fatty livers. Generally fatty liver will diagnose with some other conditions, means if you are going for certain medical examinations and you are performing some test, so at that stage also early detection of the fatty liver can be possible. So how we can avoid this condition? First, just adopting the healthy lifestyle. Okay, eating properly, having the moderate exercise, healthy diet, avoid late night eating or avoiding high meal or high calorie meal at night, because these are the certain conditions which accumulate fat in our body. Yeah, eating late night, eating high calorie at night, so at night our metabolism process gets slowed down, and at that times if we eat the heavy meal, so that will convert to fat and it will stored in our body. Okay, lack of exercise again causes the accumulation of the fat, and there is an increased chances of the fatty liver. So those who are the heavy those who are doing the heavy consumption of the alcohols, they can try to reduce the alcohol consumptions, so they can prevent the conditions or prevent it from getting it worse. They prevent the condition of the cirrhosis. Okay, another condition, another thing which I have mentioned is that the rapid weight loss. What happens during the rapid weight loss? Those who are mistaking it just by doing the starvation and not doing the exercise, yeah, taking the 8-day meal plan, 10-day meal plans and doing the starvation in those days. So what happens? Fat accumulated in the surrounding tissue, there the lipolysis will take place, means breakdown will take place to generate energy. So this fat is generally triacylglyceride. What is triacylglyceride? Fatty acid plus glycerol. Okay, so more triacylglyceride will break down in the surrounding tissue because of starvations, so we will have the more fatty acids. So more fatty acid will then enter in the liver. Okay, so if fatty acid, more level of the fatty acid is there, so more amount of the triacylglycerol synthesis will also take place, and because of some reason it will not transported into surrounding tissue and it will get accumulated in the livers, so that will also cause the fatty livers. So if those who are suffering with the overweight and obesity, so they need to avoid the starvations, moderate exercise and healthy lifestyles. So together they can prevent it, or if are having the condition, so they can reverse its conditions. But for the cirrhosis, medication and the further surgery and the transplant procedures are there. Okay, so this is the introduction of the fatty liver. In the next class we will study the biochemistry of fatty liver. In the detail we will study what actually happens during the fatty liver disorder. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you are finding it useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.